A Millicron installation technician, or MIT, will be present for the machine reassembly. The MIT will help ensure the machine is assembled and leveled properly. Before you begin reassembly of the machine, it is important to note that all bolts, regardless of size, must be torqued to the proper value. There is a torque specification sheet contained in the machine documentation. Once a bolt is torqued, use a colored paint marker and put a dot on the bolt head. Any color that will stand out can be used, but do not use yellow, as yellow is the color Millicron uses at the factory. Each machine assembly will be different from location to location. For example, some facilities may or may not have overhead cranes, or assembly areas may be very tight. So it is important to properly plan and stage the reassembly process. It is a common mistake for riggers to work themselves into a corner, resulting in the rigger needing to uninstall components that have already been installed, because they were installed out of sequence and must be removed in order for other components to be installed. In this module, we will review a complete reassembly at a customer's facility to illustrate what is involved in a reassembly and some issues that may arise. You will find that the steps can vary from job to job, but the outcome should be the same. For smooth and orderly reassembly, all of the components of the machine should be laid out or staged. This includes each marked bag of bolts. As shown in this assembly, the first component that had to be placed was the injection unit, because of the placement of the machine and the floor space restraints. The injection end of the machine comes as a whole unit, and was set back so it would not interfere with the assembly of the clamp.